Welcome back, guys. This is Chris
and Brody
with The Lawn and Life, and today we're talking about liquid aeration. Before we get started good, don't forget to subscribe. I don't know how to put a subscribe bell there yet, so I'm not that good at editing yet, so go ahead and subscribe right now. We'll wait.
Did you hit it yet?
All right, let's get started. All right, guys, welcome back. First and foremost, I've never used Lawnstar liquid aerator before, or soil aerator. I've read a lot of good things. The Lawn Whisperer likes to use Lawnstar products. He uses this, I believe, and I know for sure he loves the root hume, the liquid humic acid. So I'll link to his video in the description. Anyway, right off the bat, I'm not saying that this liquid aerator, soil aerator, is going to be better than your typical aerator machine. And also, I know there's that Aeration product out there that's really popular. For me, that was out of my price range. Right now, since I've never used this before, I actually see if this works. I'm sure it will. So what I loved about this is it was probably about, I think this was about 30 bucks for the soil aerator, and it's made in America. I believe it's made in Texas.
Made in America.
Now I have Bermuda, as you know, and I have a very red clay soil. It's very hard and gets very compacted. Now in the past, I've paid a company, I think around $50 to $75 to come out and do a quick couple passes, and they had very small plugs. I mean, not even worth paying the money. I've also rented a machine before, and that's just hard to do that by yourself, to get that machine loaded and unloaded by yourself. So we're going to try this. Why you want to have your soil aerated, especially with clay soils, you get heavy compaction. So supposedly this, and we for sure know the manual aerators, it helps with soil compaction. It helps a lot of different things. It can help with help you with drought resistance. It can help your fertilizing. It can help root growth. It can help water runoff. It just helps oxygen and everything and water get into soil better. So if you don't use this, you definitely want to try to get a manual aerator at least once a year. All right, this is a 32-ounce bottle, and as I said, I think it cost me about $30. It's not too bad. With the amount of square footage I have on my lawn, this will last me a long time. This soil aerator, you mix 1 ounce per gallon, so that's basically 1 ounce per 1,000 square feet is what you're going to use if you're using just a garden sprayer. After you mix it up, of course, you want to apply it evenly over that 1,000 square feet. And then after you spray it, you're going to water it for about 20 or 30 minutes, just a light watering to get it down into the soil. And one of the things that I read online, and it says it on the bottle as well, you want to do it before 10 a.m. and you're going to want to do it after 5 p.m. That's one of the best times to do it because this allows for decreased evaporation and greater efficiency. So before 10 a.m. or after 5 p.m. and we're doing it after 5 p.m. today. And one thing I love about liquids, like I said, Lawn Whisperer, I've used this. You can mix in different things. What I do love is this root hume, liquid humic acid. I'm gonna mix it in with the soil aerator. You know the benefits of humic acid if you've watched my videos and other videos. Humic acid, it helps with root growth and root development. And this right here, you can mix anywhere from 3 to 6 ounces of this root hume per gallon of water, so per 1,000 square feet. I'm gonna go with 3 ounces because it says you can repeat this every 3 weeks as needed. So I'm gonna definitely try to do that every 3 weeks. And also it says on both bottles, make sure you wear your gloves and everything like that, and this can stain. And if you don't have a very trustworthy sprayer, get you a good sprayer. But if you can't right now, one thing, I'm not doing this, but one thing you can do is get you a little bit of laser lawn dye and put it in your tank sprayer or your hose end sprayer that you're using to make sure you're getting all the chemical coming out.
Let's go back to that little place where we used to go in the summer days. We dip our feet at the water's edge, and everyone would come along to meet us there. We'll have a competition to see who can trap for longer, 'cause every year my body's getting stronger. We can swim all day and dance into the night, but we're not coming home till the moonlight shines, till the moonlight shines. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do.
All right, that's it, guys. I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Drop a comment. Tell me what I'm wrong. Tell me what I'm doing right. Like the video if you like it. Give me a thumbs up. I appreciate you watching. You got anything to say? Nope. This is Chris with
Brody.
and this is The Lawn and Life. Everybody have a great day, guys.